At Bos Homogenisers, we manufacture homogenizers and high-pressure pumps, and with that, we operate in a niche market. Although it is a specific market, it is also highly competitive. This means that the small details can make a big difference. Sharing knowledge, service, and consistently delivering high quality are therefore essential to our success. At Bosch, we are growing both in terms of revenue and as an organization. This growth presents us with the challenge of ensuring our quality and flexibility. Our customer base is very diverse, ranging from small dairy companies and startups to large multinationals in the dairy, food, pharmaceutical, and chemical industries. Every customer has their own needs, and it is up to us to fulfill them well for both those smaller companies and those large multinationals. We do not do this alone. One of our most important daily tasks is expanding, training, and improving our network of distributors. They are our calling card in their own country, and it is of great importance that they share the same philosophy as we do. These training sessions for distributors are held at our factory, but can also take place during business trips combined with visits to local customers. In addition, we support our distributors in participating in local trade fairs or invite them to trade fairs in which we participate ourselves. Thanks to our distribution network and our own offices in both Singapore and Shanghai, we can supply machines, spare parts, and therefore optimal service worldwide.